Oguno kwiza kwa grio munondo gwo kubanza ahabwa Joshua Cheptegei hamwe na Jacob Kiplimo okwirukanga hamwe omumpaka za rengo rwihanga kwiha obargo mumpaka za World Cup Athletics Championship omu Oregon USA hamwe na omwagwe 2012 Birmingham omuza Commonwealth Games. Abani biza kuritana na bircha abanda bamana bari mbere ko mutindo amyaka mito nka Ali Chebrusi hamwe na Dismas Yeko. Ekigombe kirukwemembero muzano gwo kwiriko mu ihanga mbenda korso gwo mu gisagwe mpakeze okutwana birchi abarize kwano beta mu mpaka zo mwagwe 2023 World Cross Country Championships ezirbaho omukwa kabiri omuri Australia. Abirchi bari kurengo muri rukaga nubo barize kwano bayanire myanya etari yemwe nemwe mu mpaka zende ngo stars zimwe na zimwe. Abirchi abariyanse myaka 20 okwirwa ka kilomita mukaga kilomita 8 amono kwiruka okwabakuru abashira n'abakazi mu kwiruka okwa kilomita 10. Abasingizo mu mpakeze nibiza kwano bangure biconche byagati y'emitwaro 50 kwika miliyoni 1. Ali Chebrusi Mathrin Charangati Desmas Yeko hamwe na Scarlett Chabete nibo basingire empakeze omwaka gwahwire.
Cross country being in February and because of visa protocols for the host, this has forced us to have our national cross country much earlier.
We have secured water, we have secured we have informed the Red Cross. So basically we are set. With effect from tomorrow, we are going to start pegging the course, and most of the part of the course is undulating.
Tunatukira ku Saturday nga byonna biteredde embeera ngeri nungi.